Hello everyone, welcome to Answer Kali. In this video, we'll be continuing with the number system questions of UPSC. So, in a class, there are 18 very tall boys. If these constitute 3/4 of the boys and the total number of boys is 2/3 of the total number of students in the class, what is the number of girls in the class? Now they say in a class, there are 18 very tall boys. If these constitute 3/4 of the boys यानी कि total number of boys if we assume are x तो 3/4 of x यानी कि total number of boys का जो 3/4 है that will be equal to 18. इसमें वो ये कह रहा है ना if these constitute यानी कि जो ये 18 very tall boys हैं ये total number of boys का 3/4 है 3/4 of the boys. So x will be equal to x यानी कि total number of boys. So x will be equal to 18 into 4/3. So it will be equal to 6 equal to 24. Which means कि total number of boys है वो है 24. And the total number of boys is 2/3 of the total number of students in the class. So if we find out total number of students, that is z. So z will be total number of students. Now they say that जो ये number of boys है total number of boys जो हमने पता लगा लिया is equal to 24. Now this is equal to 2/3 of the total number of students of the class. यानी कि total number of students जो है class में that is z उनका 2/3 है 24. ठीक है? So z here will be equal to 24 into 3/2. So it will be 12 which will be equal to 36. Which means that the total number of students in the class is equal to 36. Now they say what is the number of girls in the class. तो अगर हम assume कर ले कि जो girls है वो y है और जो boys है वो x है तो obviously z will be equal to x plus y. And now in this case we need to find out y which is the number of girls. So y will be equal to z minus x यानी कि total number of students minus the number of boys. So it will be equal to 36 minus 24 which will be equal to 12. So 12 will be the answer for this question. There will be 12 girls in that particular class. Now the next question says there are certain 2-digit numbers. So these numbers are what 2-digit क्या? The difference between the number and the one obtained on reversing it is always 27. How many such maximum 2-digit numbers are there? यानी कि 2 digit के numbers हैं दो हमारे पास. The difference between the number. तो number suppose the number is xy, right? तो दूसरा number क्या हो जाएगा? It will be yx. तो ये हम बात कर रहे हैं digit की. लेकिन जो number है वो होगा 10x plus y, 10y plus x. These will be the numbers. लेकिन जब हम digits की बात करते हैं तो digits will be x and y. So difference between the number and the one obtained on reversing it. Difference between the number and the one on receiving it जो हमें मिल रहा है is always 27. Which means अगर हम assume करें कि जो x है वो बड़ा है y से तो it will be 10x plus y minus 10y plus x. इन दो numbers को जब हम subtract करेंगे we'll get 27. So we'll get 10x plus y minus 10y minus x will be equal to 27. So it will be 9x minus 9y, 27. So x minus y here will be equal to 3, right? And they say how many such maximum 2-digit numbers are there. यानी कि हमें ऐसे पता लगाना है कि ऐसे कितने 2-digit के numbers हैं जो कि possible हैं in this case. Since we know that जो 2-digit है इनका difference जो है वो 3 है तो पहले हम start करते हैं. अगर x हमारे पास 9 हुआ तो y हो जाएगा 6, x हमारे पास 8 हुआ तो y हमारे पास हो जाएगा y will be equal to 5. Now 7 if x is 9 then y will be equal to 6. If x is equal to 8 y हो जाएगा 5. If x is 7 y will be equal to 4. If x is 6 y will be equal to 3. And if it is 5 it will be equal to 2. And if it is 4 it will be equal to 1. हम 3 और 0 नहीं ले सकते because see if we write a number 30 इसको जब हम reverse करेंगे तो number तो 3 बन जाएगा ना. And we need 2-digit numbers. So the possible number of pairs is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 will be the answer to this question. तो इसमें हो जाएगा none of the above because there will be 6 such possible pairs.